हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। इन द वेक्टर कैलकुलस सीरीज आई हैव एक्सप्लेन अबाउट द लाइन इंटीग्रल। फाइन, आई हैव गिवन सम two videos on the line integral. Now next we have the surface integral. Fine, so surface integral, if we have double integration, we have already done the multiple integration, right? So the multiple integration, we have solved the double integration. So this double integration and the surface integral both are little different concept. Here we have the vector concept, so I thought I will give one separate video on the surface integral. Fine, so first we see what is the surface integral. So a integral which is evaluated over the surface, a integral, I'll write here, which is evaluated over a surface S is called surface integral. So you can ask what is the definition. So obviously with the name it's clear, the integration over the surface S. Okay, now let us take f is the, let f is the any vector point function f1i plus f2j plus f3k. Okay, and S is the any surface in the 3 dimension. That is very important. S be any surface in 3D, okay, in the 3 dimension. Then the integral S f dot ds, or this S capital we write actually, yeah, f dot ds, or also we can represent single integration f dot ds. So if this symbol S is the surface integral, so some book they write in double integration, some book they write a single integration. So this will be, or we can say double integration S f dot n dot ds. Fine, f dot n dot ds. Now you can ask what is this ds bar, what is the ds, what is the n bar. So n bar, I will say n bar is the unit normal vector, over S. So S is the surface, we can find that n bar. How we find out? Gradient of phi, right? If phi is the surface, so gradient of phi will be the normal vector. How to find the unit normal? Will divide with the gradient of phi divided by magnitude of phi. So we can say n bar is the unit normal vector over S. Now what is the ds? So ds is the small part of, small element of the surface. ds is the small element of the surface. Okay, so now let us see how to solve this integral. We have seen what is this surface integral. Now how we will solve this integral? Fine, that is the next question. So we need to solve that double integration f dot n dot ds. So this f we know, f is the given vector, n cap also we can find out. How? It's very simple. If this is surface, if phi is the equation of surface, so your n bar will be nothing but grade phi by gradient magnitude of grade phi. So this is also simple. Now this S d, what is the ds? So this ds is the 3D picture, right? 3D picture, and we have this double integration. So we need to find the limits of 2 variables. So what we do, we'll take the projection of this surface on the plane It may be either xy plane or yz plane or zx plane, whatever plane, that is your wish. We can take the projection of that ds on the xy plane. So if you take the xy plane, so we get here x and y limit, and your ds will change in the dx dy. If you take on the yz plane projection, so we will get the y and z limit, and you can take the projection of zx limit, so we get the x and z limit, right. So to make in the Cartesian coordinate, we need to take the projection of ds on the 2D plane. It may be either xy plane or yz plane or zx plane, fine. Okay, so let us see how to take the projection, then how your ds will change in dx dy. So the first thing I have here, if we take projection of ds on xy plane, so your ds will be nothing but your dx divided by magnitude of nk k cap. What is the k? K is the unit normal vector of xy plane, right. So this is your ds. So this your double integration f n bar ds will change in double integration f n dx dy by n cap, and here we will have the x and y limit, that we know how to solve. So actually this is the your double integration what we have solved in that multiple integration section, right. Okay, so now second one, if you take the projection along the yz plane, so your ds change in the ds will be dy dz and magnitude of n cap into what is the unit normal of this x I, fine. Okay, now third one we have, if you take the projection along zx plane, so your ds will change dz dx divided by magnitude of n cap into j cap. So actually this is the conversion of vector calculus to vector integration to Cartesian integration. The right hand side will be the multiple integration what we have done already, and the left hand side is the your vector integration, fine. Okay, so I hope you understood. So how to change? Just we'll take the projection of ds on any 2D plane, and your ds will change in the either dx dy or dy dz or dz dx. Okay, I'll take one problem, then it will be more clear. Let find the surface integral s f n cap ds where f is given 18 zi minus 12j plus 3yk over the surface of the plane 2x plus 3y plus 6z equal to 12 in the first octant. So this is the surface of the plane, here f, and this is the double integration. So let us try to draw this one, what is in the plane. See, this is the 3D picture, exactly we cannot draw, but at least we will have the idea what is that, okay. So if this is the x, this is the y, this is the z. So what is the point here? On the x-axis, y and z will be 0, so we have 6, right. Y and z is 0, so 2x equal to 12, x equal to 6, so we will have 6 0 0, this is your a. And what is the y-axis? Y-axis your x and z will be 0, so y will be 4, so 0 comma 4 comma 0, and z and the z axis x and y will be 0, so we'll have the 0 comma 0 comma 2. Fine. So this is your plane. Fine. This is your given surface. Fine. Now what we do, let us have double integration f and n cap ds. What is the n cap? N cap is the unit normal vector of the surface. What is the equation of surface? Phi will be, phi is given 2x plus 3y plus 6z minus 12. So n cap will be grade of phi on modulus of phi. So this will be your, this you can see my previous video, gradient of the scalar I have given. So how to find that? So here we will have the 2i plus 3j plus 6k divided by 7. This you can see my previous video and get the idea about the n cap gradient. Okay, n cap we have. Now what about the f we know, n cap we know. No, only problem is the ds. Now ds, what we do, we'll take the projection of this surface on the xy plane. Fine. So in the xy plane what will happen? Your z will be 0. See, I am standing here, I am 3D picture, right? So what will be the projection of mine on the xy plane? If my shadow is there, right? My shadow on the xy plane, so my shadow is the projection of mine on the xy plane. Same thing here for this surface, your projection on xy plane will be something like this. Your z will be 0. Z will be 0. So is a triangle. So equation will be 2x plus 3y equal to 12. And this is the x axis, suppose this is the y axis. So x limit will be 6 0 0, x 6 0 actually, not 0 0, we are in 2D plane, and this will be your 0 4 0 4. Fine. Okay, so your ds, now let us find out the ds also here. So everything we have. Now your ds will be, since projection on the xy plane, so dx dy magnitude of n cap. And what is the normal vector of xy plane? Z axis. So k cap. Fine, k cap. So your ds will be your dx dy by, what is the n cap? N cap is 3i plus 6j plus 6k by 7. So multiply by k means this will be 0 0 only 6 by 7, 6 by 7, so 7 by 6. So 7 by 6 dx dy. Fine. Now we have f, we have n cap, we have ds dx dy. Now we can solve it. Only calculation part is there, that I will sorry, this triangle I have deleted. Triangle we need, right, for xy limit. So this was x was 6 0 and your y was 0 comma 4 and this one equation will be 2x plus 3y plus 12. Fine. Okay. Now let us see. So double integration f dot n dot dx dy by 7 into 6. So this will be your 7 by 6 double integration f dot n dot dx dy. Fine. Okay. Now your f was, sorry I deleted, your 18 j minus 12j. So now we can find out the 7 by 6 and what is this f into n? So n was, I have written everything, n was 2i plus 3j plus 6k divided by 7. So n will be 18zi minus 12j plus 3yk into n cap is the 2i plus 3j plus 6k dx dy and by 7. This 7 cancel, so we get 1 by 6 double integration 18 into 2 36z minus 36 plus 18, this is the y, right, 18y and dy dx. Now what is the y limit? If you come here, so y limit will be 0 to on this line. So on this line what is the y? 12 minus 2x by 3. In that multiple integration we have already done that. So y equal to 0 to 12 minus 2x by 3 and your x limit will be 0 to 6. So this part is already you have done in the multiple integration. Fine. So if you simplify, if you do integration one by one, so your final answer will be 24. Please verify and let me know in the comment box, are you getting 24? Fine. So this was the concept of surface integral. What we have done that? Very simple. We will find out the n cap unit normal vector and ds will take the projection in the xy plane and ds will be changed in the either dx dy, dz, dx or dy dz. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.